Hello everyone, this is my second video and it's a day two. And like I'm working on my communication skills. It's a very sunny day, and today I come to sports complex with my kid. And today I have read one article about decision of Trump administration, which is on the Harvard University foreigner Harvard, which is on the Harvard University, which is on the Harvard University foreigner student. Uh, Trump admin decide to not provide facilities of foreigner student. The administration said it is our uh, actually word भूल रहा हूँ मैं. Uh, Let me read and come again. That word was privilege. Sorry, I forget that word. I, you know, that's why I'm here. I'm here to learn something new, and I record this video, make videos on YouTube to track my progress. So, okay, come to the topic again. So, Trump administration said it's a privilege for students, not their right. So all in all, Trump administration said like students are involved in some activities and all, and university has denied to provide proper information about students. So these kind of conflict they have, as per my knowledge. So I'm totally sorry if I misunderstood the concept. Because just this video only for the learning purposes, I am learning this English language, so maybe my interpretation would be wrong. So please don't bother about it. I'm just learning this language, and I'm recording this video on a day-to-day basis. So today I read one article and I explain about it. So you guys also do same activity, learn something new and explain about it, make video, record yourself. So these are the activity I will do throughout the season or throughout months. And please guys share your feedback if someone watching this video and who has good knowledge about English, so please provide please share your feedback for me, so I will improve more. So that's it for now, and I just started my day. Maybe I will record some more videos if I got a time. And bye bye for now. Hello everyone, this is day 2 evening time, and today my day went very well. Like I enjoy with the kid and I watched one movie which is on, what was the movie? Okay, yeah. So movie on the shark attack. The movie name is Under Paris. So movie was very fantastic, and after that I took a good nap, and then went to again sports complex with my kid to enjoy evening. And recently, I'm scrolling my social media and I watched one video about breathing practice. I try to learn English from many, from various platforms. So one of feed about come on to my notification. So that particular video was on the breathing practice. Okay, so I'm telling you because I like these yoga technique, breathing technique. So I'm also do yoga, not regularly, but yeah, time to time do. But I know breathing is the main, or breathing is a very important part of life. So I learn one new word also, manifestation means like जो हमको करना है, जो इस बारे में हम सोचते हैं, उसको हम मिल लाइक वो हमको लाइक दैट कैन बी अचीवेबल. So that new, it not new word, but yeah, I search that meaning proper way. So one more word, cohesive also I knew, learned this new word. So basically I'm trying to say, I watched 15-minute video, and that video was fantastically explain about the breathing practice and how it can be more beautiful to achieve our goal. डिटेल में कभी और बात करेंगे उसके बारे में, बट या, so that was my day, and it was very fantastic. I'm telling you because uh, it's a journey. I'm telling you again, it's a journey, and I'm sharing with you guys like how I am learning this language. Hopefully this technique or this thing working for me. And definitely, if you want to grow with me, so please do like and subscribe my channel, and let's learn or let's grow together. So okay, एक और बात, आज मैंने जितना भी ये कंटेंट बन रहा है, आई यूज ए आई टूल फॉर दैट विच इज़ चैट जीपीटी. एक्चुअली ये आइडिया भी वहीं से आया है, टू मेक अ ब्लॉग ऑन इंग्लिश, सो डे टू डे इंग्लिश ब्लॉग. तो मैंने नाम भी उसका क्रैक किया है, तो द चैनल नेम विल बी सेट सेट जी एस, या आई थिंक यही नाम है, सेट जी एस. अभी तक ये मेरा डे टू है, मैंने नाम नहीं सोचा था, बट या अभी थोड़ा टाइम मिला दोपहर को, तो मैंने उसका नाम भी सोच के रख लिया है, सेट जी एस नाम है. बिकॉज लाइक I don't tell you my full name. You can see like I'm wearing cap, this mask. So there is a particular reason behind it, and I will uh, explain, or I will reveal this secret in maybe in future video. So yeah, I think I can talk more and more, but I think that's enough for today. Uh, Please do like and subscribe my channel. Uh, if this journey with you guys, if I'm like, if I will be success, or if I will be learn this language with you, and you also learn language with me, so it's a बेस्ट ऑफ बोथ वर्ल्ड. ओके, ये भी एक नया फेज मैंने, नॉट नया बट हाँ, ये फेज मैंने पढ़ा है पहले. बेस्ट बेस्ट थिंग फॉर बोथ, बेस्ट क्या है, भूल गया अभी तो. बेस्ट थिंग फॉर बोथ बर्ड, ऐसा कुछ एक फेज है. सो या गाइस, बाय, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.